YouTube? My name is Crumb or Glim for the win. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly install GFusion, this time using my voice so this can be more understood, and how to do so. So with that, we're here on the main site where you can go and get GFusion, which is on unknowncheats.me. Here you will always find the most latest up-to-date version, and it's just basically going to send you to my GitHub. So with that, we're going to go on ahead and start with this PowerShelling command. We're going to run this. This is going to install Python and all the necessary modules, as well as like Visual Studio and all that. It just installs the redistributables. So we're going to go into PowerShell and run this as admin right here. And we're going to paste this command and let it run, do its thing. It says an error right here because it's already installed, so it doesn't need to do that. All this is already installed for me, really, so we'll see what it does. So, letting it run. Okay, now that is done, we're not going to run GFusion yet. We have some more things that we have to do. So we're going to go on ahead and go into our GitHub right here. We're going to go to code and download the zip file. I'm just going to save it to my desktop and put it there. You can find the UC forum, YouTube, and how to install is just a simple little quick video that was made by Same Old Mistakes, the other developer for this sheet. File is pretty big. It's going to take a while to download. That's because it's downloading the entire source code of the cheat, as well as downloading these maps, which makes up the majority of the space for this. The reason this takes up so much space is because it has all the world map files in here, at least not community ones, but it has the ones people use for competitive and whatnot. So these .opt files are needed for the visibility check to work. It's not necessary to be able to run the cheat, but it has visibility check. So there we go, we have GFusion installed. We're going to go in ahead and extract it to GFusion right here. I recommend using WinRAR, but normal Windows zip file will work. So here we have GFusion and we get all of these files. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into CMD and check your Python version. And you can see I'm on Python 3.14. So we are going to go into our viz check here, and we're going to have to rebuild the viz check for Python 3.14. If you're on Python 3.13, then this will work fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here to vizcheck.sln, and you're going to open this. And then you're going to want to find the directory for your Python. For me, I believe I should find it. I go here to search up Python and do open file location. It's going to take us here to this shortcut. We're going to right click on this and do open file location again. And here we have our directory for Python. Yep. So we're going to go back into our release here, and then we're going to go into build and properties, or you can right click here and go to properties. And there's a few things here that we have to change. So for example, we go to C++ right here. We have to change our included directories here. So as you can see, it says Python include, and you need pybind11. This is a module that you have to install. So you're going to go here and type pip install pybind11, and then it'll install that. But we're going to want to go on ahead and go here, and we're pretty much just going to copy these directories. So we're going to go to right here to include, and then we're going to copy this. Go ahead and put it into a notepad for now. Right there. And then we need to go to lib site packages pybind11. So we're going to go back. We're going to go to lib, and then site packages, and then we're going to search for pybind11. Wherever it is, pybind11, and then include right here. So this is the second directory we need. Go ahead and copy that and put it in there. Now we're going to go on ahead and change this. If it'll let me paste it, it's not going to let me paste it. Okay. So then we're going to go here and paste it into here, and then select folder. And then we're going to go back and copy this one, and then go and select that folder. Okay. And then we're going to press OK. And now that is done. So now we need to go to, where is it? There's one more thing. Linker right here. And then input. We need to change this to go to the proper lib. So we're going to go back in over here to our libs, and then we're going to copy this as the path, and then change this to that. Okay, so now then that should be good to go. We're going ahead and go and press build solution, and let it do its thing. Okay, one succeeded, and this is the directory where we need to go to then, need to go back into that. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to copy this file, and then we're going to go back into the main directory, and we're going to replace this file. So going ahead and paste, replace the file as the destination, and now the viz check is installed. I don't know why that wanted to run as admin. Yeah, I don't need to worry about that. Okay, now then, we need to install the driver. So if we want to go ahead and go to NeoC controller main, and then go to controller right here, we'll see build.bat. You don't want to right click and run as admin. Don't do that. What you're going to do instead is go into the directory. So we're going to copy this directory and open CMD as admin, like this right here, and then we're going to cd into this directory, and then we're going to type build.bat, or just type build. Okay, and then we let it do its thing right here. Okay, now that that is done, we're going to go on ahead and go out of this, and then we can go back into NeoC driver right here, and then we're going to right click on this file and click install. Okay, now that that is installed, we go back, and then we can run example.py. Make sure you're running the script as admin. Yep. Then we run example.py. Make sure you're running this. I don't know why that failed. It could just be outdated, but it is working. So we can check if it's working by now running GFusion. So you go in ahead and run GFusion right here. I'm in the game. Run GFusion. Okay. See, it had no issues. And then we can go ahead and enable the kernel driver. And now it is enabled. Now, if you want the kernel driver to be on by default, what you can do is you can go to your configs. You have to make it a config directory. Hold on a second. So we run this, and then we're going to enable kernel driver. Go to config, and then create a new config, and name this, I don't know, name it whatever you want. And then there we go. That's done. And now should automatically load that config, or you can go to, actually, you can go to process right here and go into config.py. You search up kernel and then turn these to true right here. And now every time you launch it, it'll automatically launch it with the kernel driver. Now, I don't recommend that you launch it from just GFusion.py. What I recommend is to run from start.pyw, and then you're going to you can update the offsets. So I'll just go ahead and press the update offsets button. That is done, and then you generate the launcher. Okay, debug the launcher. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. And then you run the launcher. This just adds an extra layer of protection. Nothing really that Valve is going to be checking for, because Valve does read at runtime, but you know, it's just a little bit of encryption just for some extra protection. But as you can see, cheat's fully working. Aimbot is fully working. Now you'll notice with the aimbot, it has this jitter right here. This is for AI protection. You can easily turn this off if you just come over here and turn this off, and now you can see it's off. Just in case you were wondering about that. But I recommend that you keep it on. It will make the aimbot a little bit less accurate, but it helps to avoid detections from AI. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe. If you need help, there would be you just leave a comment and we'll help you there. So, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.